Today we will take 1 minute to fully demonstrate how to use an oscilloscope to measure the rise time of a power supply. Set the power output to 32 volt, 0.5 ampere. Set the horizontal time base accurately to 20 ms, div and adjust the vertical gear to 10V grid. Then adjust the trigger level to near the midpoint of the waveform amplitude to ensure stable triggering. We have added a measurement function for rise time. The probe grounding clip must be immediately connected to the negative terminal of the power supply, and the probe should be connected to the positive terminal. Attention, please avoid shaking after connection to reduce noise interference. Set the trigger mode to single and then turn on the power output. The oscilloscope will automatically capture the waveform and display the rise time measurement value. Through the oscilloscope, we can obtain that the rise time of the power supply in the no-load state is 23.5 milliseconds. The measurement is now complete. Remember to follow us for more practical measurement techniques.